One of the added benefits of joining the lab is getting access to the Life Workshop, which is a group that meets Monday through Thursday every week at different times of the day. And it sort of can serve whatever you need it to serve as. For me, it serves as an accountability group. It's really just dedicated time to focus on things that you're trying to get done. With an extra bonus of a conversation topic at the beginning. And it's just really nice to have that dedicated time to sit down, get some work done. And it's also a great opportunity if you need some dedicated time to do your lab homework. It's a good space to do that as well. I learned about the lab through the Life Workshop and was excited to sign up. And when I learned that one of the bonus perks of joining the lab was that you also got your time in the Workshop was included. And that was really exciting for me because I have the plan to sign up for the Life Workshop indefinitely. So to have it as a bonus for the lab was a pleasant surprise.
I thought it intertwined really well with the lab also. Like I could do some of the lab assignments in the Life Workshop. So I was getting like the ultimate Carrie experience. I think they sort of wove together really well.
Yeah, I also really appreciated having a dedicated space during the life workshop to work on some of our lab work um, and was always excited to carve out time for it during life workshop and also as Ariel said I loved being part of the life workshop before I joined the lab, so I was also excited that it was a bonus going along with the lab.
Yeah. One of the things I would also add is it's really nice to see the people from the lab also show up in the Life Workshop. It gives you not only do we get a double dose of Carrie, we also get a double dose of some of our favorite people that are in the lab in the Life Workshop. So it's just an extra opportunity to like get to know each other a little bit better, see what folks are working on in their day-to-day lives, and just get that like extra personal touch, which is always nice. Especially in a time of a lot of remote, lonely working. It's just an extra point of connection with some really good people.